Where the three southern states of Andhra Pradesh, Karnataka and Tamil Nadu meet, just a 2-hour drive from the city of Bangalore, Agastya International Foundation occupies a 172-acre campus. This campus is the main hub for mobile labs that take lessons in science, math, ecology and art to village schools and communities. In the midst of rural India, Agastya's campus provides a hands-on science museum for children which has one rule: please touch, challenging young minds, sharpening motor skills and drawing on familiar stories. At one end of the spectrum are the durable, elaborate models used in the Discovery Centre and carried to science fairs. At the other end are low-cost experiments and models that can be easily and inexpensively replicated. Scientists who come to instruct teachers and conduct research on the Agastya campus have freedom to experiment with their own methods of teaching and to share the knowledge acquired over their illustrious careers. Teachers from rural areas rub elbows with some of the great scientific minds of India. While scientists, artists and other visitors instruct the teachers and children, some of the children are also selected for the Young Instructor Leader program. Children are selected to be young instructors when they show special interest and skill. Agastya also reaches communities through science fairs which come into town with all the excitement of a travelling circus. For a few days, young instructors demonstrate low-cost experiments and elaborate models to children from the local schools. Integrated learning, art, dance, as well as science and math are taught on the campus. This engages the child's mind and body so that science and math come alive in new and different ways. Mobile labs visit rural villages after dark and whole families gather at a central location, often illuminated only by the lanterns the vans carry. Communities learn about the importance of ecology, the value of Ayurvedic plants and other lessons useful in their lives. As the spirit of Agastya spreads throughout the country and around the world, it is bringing the rural poor to the table as India makes her mark on the global scene.